Hi guys สวัสดีค่ะ and hello everyone today I'm not going to talk about any lesson I just would like to answer one comment was asking about can I make a video introduce how to sign up to my Patreon and let me actually talk about my Patreon a little bit if you are new to Patreon it's the platform that all content creators would publish their contents in whichever form to provide to their patrons which is the monthly member and in my case it's special videos that I provide 2 videos per week to all my patrons right now if you sign up to my Patreon you can access to nearly 80 videos that ready for you to get practice they're mostly relating to shadowing lessons that you can practice listening shadowing repeating with me the fastest way that you can improve your pronunciation I also continue to create new lessons that could help you improve your writing skill, listening skill, reading skill, and also speaking skills. So all of those skills is totally different from what you are normally watching from my YouTube video, but they kind of complement, but in different way. So if you're serious about learning Thai and would like to improve your Thai into another level, I actually recommend you to sign up to my Patreons. And now, how do you do it? Actually, if you watch my videos in general, I provide a link in the description. So if you go to any video, you might see more. Click it. If you watch my videos through telephone, you might still have to click another more another time to see all the description. Scroll down to the description and I put the link there for you, Patreon. Then you click on that link. That will link and open another page to my Patreon page. The name of my Patreon still the same, Thai Lessons by New. The same name as my YouTube channel. Once you click into it, you will see my page and I actually have 2 tiers. That's all your choice. You can choose to pay $14.99 or $39.99. It's absolutely your choice. Both of 2 tiers will get similar access to special videos. So there's a join button. Click on the tier that you are happy to join. Let's say you join on the $14.99 tiers, then click the button join. They would provide you of choices how you would like to sign up to Patreon. You can sign up through your Google Mail or Facebook or just normal email if you want to. If you would like to sign up through your Google, click on Google. If you want to sign up through Facebook, click on Facebook. If you want to sign up through your email, then provide the name, email, and the password. And then after that, click sign up. Once you sign up, it will link you to the payment detail. Then in this case, you have 2 choices. You can choose to pay through your credit card or PayPal. Click on card if you want to pay by your card and then put all the detail. Click on subscribe now. And then voila! You can all see my contents and it will unlock all the contents. There are contents that provide especially to Patreon and also link to my normal YouTube as well. As my patron, you will get access to the YouTube video earlier than the normal YouTube website because I will publish the video here before I publish in YouTube. Alright, I hope this video is helpful and if you have any comments or struggling in signing up to my Patreon, feel free to leave in the comment and I will answer those comments for you. And I'm looking forward to see everyone there in my Patreon and we'll see you soon. Bye! สวัสดีค่ะ